Hello, my name is Lillian Mills. I'm a freshman psychology pre-med major from Albany, Georgia.
Hi, my name is Mason Marie Humphrey. I'm a freshman biology pre-med major from Prince George's County, Maryland.
Hi, I'm Precious Trotter. I'm a third year psychology pre-med major from Chesterfield, Virginia.
Hi, my name's Tyler Oregon. I'm a first year psychology pre-med major from New Jersey. And today we're going to be talking about COVID-19 and Hawkwatch. So we decided to do our project on a place called Cutbank. Cutbank is a city in and the county seat of Glacier County, Montana in the United States. It's located just east of Cutbank along Cutbank Creek. So as you know, in March 2020, the world was hit with a global pandemic called coronavirus. This put a hold on everything in the world, and it had a bunch of restrictions such as social distancing. So our research question is, how did COVID-19 impact Hawkwatch?
For our methods, first we picked an area of Hawkwatch. Then we compared the data between 2020 and 2019 and noticed a jump in data. We then created different graphs that captured the jump in the migration of birds. The species that were observed were the osprey, bald eagle, northern harrier, sharp-shinned hawk, Cooper's hawk, red-shouldered hawk, broad-winged hawk, red-tailed hawk, American kestrel, merlin, peregrine falcon, and the Mississippi kite.
In September of 2020, there were 58.5 hours observed in total of people just going out and observing the hawks and birds that came through. In 2019, there were a total of 431.51 birds that were observed. COVID-19 influenced the drastic change in birds observed because the site was shut down due to it not being wide enough for everyone to come and observe birds. The social distance requirements states that everyone must stay 6 feet apart from each other. Being stuck in the house made it very hard to catch birds in August and being able to come out every day for hours.
So for our discussion, we can see from the results that the comparison of birds seen in 2019 and 2020, there was a significant difference. And with these results, it could be caused by the lack of bird watching in 2020 and compared to in 2019. But to further the research, we could ask why COVID-19 impacted Hawkwatch. But to answer that question, there would have to be more observations to figure out the true cause of the significant results already observed.
In September 2020, 155 birds were seen compared to 2019's 859 birds observed across the 3-month sample period.
For our charts, we did the multi-level donut chart comparing species abundance and richness across 3-month period. And as you can see, for the birds that were there the most was the red-tailed hawk and the bald eagle for 2019 and 2020.
So this is the frequency of occurrence of the birds for 2019. And as we can see in the chart, in September and October, the northern harrier was most present. And also in September and October, so was the red-tailed hawk.
So in 2020, you can see in the graph that the red-tailed hawk was seen the most in September and October.
So in 2020, the birds were, due to limited resources, the birds were not seen in August. There were a total of 5 to 10 birds in September, and the most often seen bird is the American kestrel. And in October, there was definitely a decline in the amount of birds spotted. But in 2019, between September, August, and November, there was a steadily incline of how many birds between the osprey, bald eagle, northern harrier, sharp-shinned hawk, and Cooper's hawk. And again, the American kestrel was seen often, and so was the red-tailed hawk. Okay. Our hypothesis is that social distancing had a significant impact on hawkwatch. Our hypothesis is supported by the 704 difference in the amount of birds spotted between the 2 years. In conclusion, our hypothesis was correct.